In this video, I will show you how to swap USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. To do this, just going to open up your Bitget Wallet, and then from within the app or extension, just going to click on Wallet in the bottom right. Now here you will see your wallet. Now in order to swap USDT to TON, you will need to own, of course, some USDT. So just go and click on the USDT right here, and then from here you want to go and click on Swap. Now for me it's automatically set to from USDT to TON. If it says something else for you, then at the bottom just make sure it's set to TON by selecting TON at the top and then here also clicking TON. Now just choose how much you want to do. I'll just do 100% and then you can see how much you will get. So in this case a little over 1.9, and from there just going to click on confirm. Now in this case you can see the gas fees are about 0.2 TON, which right now I don't have on my account, so therefore I would need to first go and deposit a little bit of TON or just buy it. But then after having that I can click on confirm, and then after you click confirm it will be swapped, and from within your wallet you will then see that you don't have the USDT anymore and it will then be in TON. So now you know how to swap USDT to TON in Bitget Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.